Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing to you my eyebrows. Now this will be a short and sweet one. I'm going to start off with this eye impact brows, and I don't think it's ever been used, to be honest. No, I think I've rubbed my finger across to test that one, so I'm definitely getting rid of that because I'm not going to use it. I will tell you the ones that I keep and use on a regular basis before I go into any more of these. So I've got the Studio 01, or the Studio, and this is a nice pencil for me, so I am keeping that one. The Avon Gimme Stick eyeliner, although this is a little bit of a lighter colour, it still works really well for my colouring. These what are just in my everyday drawer, guys. The Kiko one, absolutely love. Number 7, again, I absolutely love this as well. This is the sculpting one, very similar to the Kiko one. And then, as you all know, I love my Miss Beauty eye pencil. So they're my regular ones. They're actually staying. Freedom brow pomade in taupe. It's really nice. This is the first one I've ever used as a brow product, and yeah, I'm really happy at the minute using this. I am going to definitely be keeping the NYX micro pencil. This is really nice. It's a little too thin for my liking. I'm used to the slanted angle ones, but I do like this one. I'm getting rid of this set colour pencil brown Beautyo. I don't know, they're just weird funky ones. I got them out of they're just really strange. And it's like, how you're supposed to draw anything with big dots on. I've never used them, so they're definitely going. I'm definitely keeping my number 2 from Miss Beauty. You know, I love that. So I haven't tried this Revlon Colour Stay one, so this was at a subscription box, so I'm going to keep that one. This Universal pencil from It Cosmetic, it's amazing, love it, keeping. I don't do the brow stuff with this, so that can just go in the bin. Elf, this is also one that I'm using at the minute, the Elf one, and I love that. And I also love the number Avon one in both of them. This is another Avon one, but because it hasn't got the pencil with it, but I haven't touched it, so, and because I've got quite a few of them open, I'm just going to get rid of this one. And my daughter's hair a lot darker than mine, so the Collection 2000. And I have tried this, but it's more of a filler than it is a shaper, so I do like it for that reason, so I'm keeping that. And this is another Glimmer Stick brow definer, so I will definitely keep that one as well. I've got 2 of the Anastasia blonde ones. I hate these with a passion, and I mean hate them with a passion. The only thing is they cost me so much money that I really don't want to, and I technically don't know any blondes that I could pass it on to, so I'm just going to keep it, you know, it's not a problem. And then I've also got the Kiko Fibres coloured mascara, which this is probably the only one I've got left. This is the only one I've got left of the Kiko, the gel fibres, so I'm going to keep that because I will use it. And then this is a Beauty Pie one. They're all just the right shade for me, so wasn't a very big successful, but at least now I've cooled it down I've only got rid of 4 products. It's 4 products less than what I had, and I'm quite happy with the little collection that I have got. So I just need some brow gels. I have got the, what's it called, the Gimme Brow Gel, and I don't know where that is. So that's that one, guys. So I'm going to go through all of them, obviously, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be keeping and why. There'll be some that you're shocked at, and others you'll be like, yeah, I can see why. So I'm keeping this Becca. It's not technically, but it's still for under your eyes, and I was like, it's the only time I can ever put it in a declutter, same as the colour correctors. So these 2 colour correctors. They're the only 2 I've got for under my eyes, and this is the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. So I'm keeping them. They're pretty new to my collection, and same with the It Bye Byes. So these are the concealers that I've used, and I know what I like and what I don't like. So this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, I do like it very much, so I will definitely be keeping this one. The Tarte Shape Tape, cannot stand, will be getting rid of because I don't like it. The Colourpop No Filter concealers, I've got mixed feelings on these at the minute. I've only really worn them once or twice, so I really want to put them to try again, if you get what I mean. If I don't like them, then I'll definitely bin them. This NARS, this one is in vanilla, and it's nice. Would I ever buy it again? No. I will use this one probably. If I don't use it in the next 3 or 4 months, then I will probably pass it on. This MAC Pro Longwear I've only just bought, and I've tested once, and I do like this, so definitely keeping that. These Kikos, these are concealers, but they tug too much under my eyes. So what I have been doing is putting them, because they're quite dark as well, so I've been using them to put on my eyelids, so they're nice for that. So I'm keeping them, but they need to go somewhere else. So the Revolution, what they're called, Revolution Conceal and Divine, love both of these. They're both light colours, so one's unopened, but this one's open, and I'm definitely keeping them. This Wake Me Up, I can't, it's like with the foundation, I've used it once. The collection's Lasting Perfection. I don't see what everybody raves about with this. You know, I am a little older than, well, I'm a lot older than most YouTubers, but for mature skin, it's a bit on that sort of scale. But again, these are in a drawer on the opposite side of the room where my makeup is like here. So really, I want to just pull them out and just use them. So they're more of a test. So like with the lipstick ones, I'm going to put the ones that I want to test to the side and test them first. Then we've got the Maybelline Fit Me. It's a nice concealer, it really is. So I'm going to keep that one. This Freedom Pro Conceal and Correct is no. So that's going. This Rimmel Match Perfection. Again, I need to give it a go, proper go. So I'm going to put that in there as well. Oh, this is the Avon one, I think. And I like this. I did like this concealer. So I'm going to keep that one. I'm not too sure on them yet. This is a Mancadora Beauty Step 1 and it is prime time. So this is for under the eyes. So I thought, well, it's a salmony colour, at least I can test it, and I've got a different one. So I'm definitely keeping my naked skin. I've only used it once, a couple of times as well, but it's definitely staying. This is the Rimmel Lasting finish. Again, it's another one that I need to properly test. I've swatched it, but I've never actually used it. Another Maybelline Fit Me. I must have liked the other one, that's why I said I do like that. This is another one of the Instant Anti-Age Rewind, which I do like, so I'm keeping that. I'm definitely keeping my RCMA one, because this is new. I want to give this concealer palette a go. Again, I've only rubbed my finger over one, so I would just like to see how it performs. I know it's Freedom, but I've got another Kiko in 01. Well, I've already got 2, so I don't need this one. And then I've got another Kiko 01. Again, I don't need 4. This e.l.f. concealer, I do not like. This Dark Miss Beauty one in number 3, it's too dark for my eyes. This Pure, it's like a peachy salmon colour. Again, I want to try that for under my eyes. So these are the ones that are in my project pan, which this is practically empty, and this is number 7 Instant Radiant. And I've got a backup, so I do like it and it's staying. A lot of these I haven't really tested, and that's the thing. So I got 3 of the... I think I liked them, actually, because I wouldn't have just brought 3 at the same time. Even if it was on a 3 for 2 deal, I would have bought this with, say, the foundation and something else, and these 2 with something else. So I must have really liked it, to be honest with you, because there's no way on earth I'd spend money when I know I don't like something. So I'm definitely keeping them and putting that one. This is a Everlasting concealer. This is one that I'm using at the moment, so I know I like this, so I'm keeping this. This is Bare Minerals Stroke of Light High Brightening. Yeah, eye brightener, and I just can't work it out. It's really dark. It's as dark as the one next to it. So I know I'm not going to use it, guys, so it might as well just go to somebody else. Maybe it's for dark skin tone. This Rimmel Renew and Lift, this was in a subscription box. Never used it, that's going. We've got some LA Girl Pro Concealers. I'm gonna get rid of them all. They are too dark. Obviously I ordered these online, and what was shown and what wasn't, because that looks really light but it's not, and that looks really dark and it's not, so they can just go. This one has been opened, but again it's too pinky, salmonified. Just no, that can go. I've tried this Baby Skin. I don't like it whatsoever concealer, so that can go. I've got another Kiko, but this is an 03, so that's definitely needs to go. So I've got Boing number 3. It's way too dark, so that can definitely go as well. I haven't tried this Bare Minerals, but it's in Summer Bisque, and it's a concealer. And it's that thing, I don't want to open it and it not be my colour. So I might go to the Bare Mineral counter and see what they actually give me as like a tester, and then see whether or not I need to get rid of it. I'm definitely keeping the Cargo one. They're really nice and creamy and thick. I haven't tried this lasting finish 5 hours breathable, so again it's staying. The Beauty Pie ones, these are really nice, but do I need 2 of them? Probably not. Not with all these that I've already got, so I just want to check which one I've used. So I've used this one. The only reason you can tell it's got a line across the top. So I'm going to keep that one and get this from ELF. I actually like this concealer, ELF concealer. It's really nice, and it does slightly. Everybody says things don't settle into fine lines. I find, because I've got a few fine lines, that yeah, they do settle into fine lines. So, but I'm keeping this one. And Light Illuminate Avon Magique. Well, no, it's definitely a concealer. That's not a bad shade, actually. I will be keeping that one. Got this Lord & Berry Conceal pencil. I've just tested it on my hand. I don't like it. Now I've got 2 of these White Art concealers from Freedom, and it's gone to Revolution. So this one had bust all over open for me, as you can see, and this one hasn't been touched, so I can actually give that one away. And I'm going to keep this one just in case I need a little lightening. Pro Artist HD, and to be honest, these are absolutely no good. They are so watery. So I'm just going to throw them 2 away. And then also, this is a Freedom sort of colour corrector. This was one of the first ones I ever bought when I realised about colour correcting, and yeah, it just wants binning, so it's going in the bin. $19's going and 3's going in the bin, so that's 22 items gone. So I'm really impressed with myself for doing that. So guys, if you enjoyed that, please give us a thumbs up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.